Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2019 10.1 T510 T515 models. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the tablet and remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to the screen. And then insert a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. Next, flip the LCD screen and disconnect the LCD connector plug. Next, free the broken screen from the body. Next, lift both levers and pull out flex cables from the LCD board connector. Next, apply heat to soften the LCD board connector adhesive. And then gently pull out the unit from the broken screen. Next, place the LCD board connector unit on the new screen. Next, secure both cables to the board. Next, connect the LCD flex to the new screen. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, to secure the screen, you can use pre-cut adhesive or B7000 glue on screen edges. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tighten the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.